12 Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 2nd Chapter number 2nd Applications of Derivatives. Dear students, we are going to study examples on Rolle's theorem. Examples. Example number 15. Given an interval AB, satisfy hypothesis of Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 3. It is known that a equal to 0, find the value of b. Solution. Given that f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 3 denoted by equation 1. Let g of x, that is the part of x in f of x cube minus 2x square. Take x square common, then we get x square into x minus 2. From equation 1 we get f of x equal to this term. Simplify as x square into x minus 2. Let that is g of x. Hence f of x equal to g of x plus 3. We should see that g of x becomes 0 for x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. G of x is 0 for x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Here is g of x is 0, then x square equal to 0, x equal to 0. Also x minus 2 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 2. We observe that for x equal to 0, f of 0, find the value of f of 0. Then is equal to g of 0 plus 3. We know that g of 0 is 0, therefore is equal to 3. Also for x equal to 2, then f of 2 equal to, here is x replaced by 2, g of 2 plus 3. We know that g of 2 is 0. Therefore f of 2 is 3. f of 0 and f of 2 is equal to 3. It is obvious that the function f of x is everywhere continuous and differentiable as a cubic polynomial. Therefore continuous and differentiable. Consequently, it satisfies all conditions of Rolle's theorem on the interval 0 to 2. Hence both are equal. Therefore b equal to 2. Hence we find a0, f of a equal to f of b. Therefore b equal to 2. Therefore b equal to 2. Example number 16. If the Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5, x belongs to closed interval 1 3 with c equal to 2 plus 1 divided by root 3, find the values of p and q. Solution. The Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5. X belongs to closed interval 1 3. Rolle's theorem holds, therefore f of a equal to f of b, that is f of 1 equal to f of 3. Put the values of x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 in this equation. 1 cube plus p into 1 square plus q into 1 plus 5. Also 3 cube plus p into 3 square plus q into 3 plus 5. Simplifying, we get 1 plus p plus q plus 5 equal to 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9 into p, 9p plus 3 cube plus 5. Take the terms p and q on LHS, then we get 8p plus 2q equal to minus 26. Hence 4p plus q equal to minus 13, denoted by equation 1. Also there exists at least one point c belongs to 1 3 such that f dash of c is 0. And c f dash of x d by dx of x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. P take outside, derivative of x square is 2x. Q take outside, derivative of x is 1. For a single constant term, its derivative is 0. Simplifying, we get 3x square plus 2px plus q. Then f dash of c, x replaced by c, 3c square plus 2pc plus q, where we have given that c is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by root 3. Therefore, f dash of c is 3 into c square, 2 plus 1 by root 3 bracket square plus 2p into c is 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus q. Put the values of c in this equation 3. A plus b square, that is 4 plus 4 divided by root 3 plus 1 by 3. plus 2p into p, 2 is 4p. 2p into 1 divided by root 3, that is 2p divided by root 3 plus q. Yes, 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12 divided by root 3. 3 cancel is 1 plus 4p, 2p divided by root 3 plus q. Then 4p plus 2p divided by root 3 plus q plus 13 plus 12 divided by root 3. But f dash of c is 0. Therefore, this value take as 0. 4p plus 2p divided by root 3 plus q plus 13 plus 12 divided by root 3 is 0. Hence, simplifying, multiply by root 3 and simplifying, we get 4 root 3 plus 2 multiply by p plus root 3 into q plus 13 root 3 plus 12 equal to 0. Here is in bracket 4 root 3 plus 2 into p plus root 3 into q. Take this term on RHS minus 13 root 3 minus 12. Multiply equation 1 by root 3, we get 4 root 3 plus p plus root 3 into q is equal to minus 13 root 3. Subtracting this equation from 2, we get, here is equation 1. Multiply by root 3, 4 root 3 plus root 3q minus 13 root 3. Subtracting this equation from equation 2, we get, simplifying 2p equal to minus 12. Therefore, p equal to minus 6. From equation 1, 4, value of p is minus 6 plus q minus 13. Here is minus 24, take on RHS plus 24, therefore q equal to 11. Hence, p equal to minus 6 and q equal to 11. Example number 17. The function f of x equal to x into x plus 3 into e raised to minus x by 2, satisfying all condition of Rolle's theorem on closed interval minus 3, 0. Find the value of c such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Solution. The function f of x satisfies all condition of Rolle's theorem. Therefore, there exists c belongs to open interval minus 3, 0 such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Now f of x equal to x into x plus 3 into e raised to minus x by 2. X multiplied by x is x square, x multiplied by 3 is 3x into e raised to minus x by 2. We find its derivative f dash of x. D by dx of x square plus 3x into e raised to minus x by 2. Use the product rule. First function as it is, multiple derivative of second function, that is d by dx of e raised to minus x by 2. Plus second function as it is, derivative of first function, that is x square plus 3x. Then x square plus 3x, we use the formula of e raised to x, then its derivative e raised to minus x by 2. Minus x by 2 is again function, therefore multiple its derivative d by dx of minus x by 2 plus e raised to minus x by 2 as it is plus derivative, here is multiple, derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 take outside, derivative of x is 1 is equal to x square plus 3x into e raised to minus x by 2. Minus 1 by 2 take outside, derivative of x is 1. 1 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus x by 2 into 2x plus 3. Take e raised to minus x by 2 is common, then we get, here is take first term 2x plus 3 minus x square plus 3x divided by 2. Here is minus sign in minus is equal to e raised to minus x by 2. Take 2 is a LCM, then cross multiply 4x plus 6. Here is minus sign, therefore change the sign, minus x square minus 3x divided by 2 is equal to e raised to minus x by 2 divided by 2. Simplifying, we get the quadratic equation 6 plus x minus x square. Then f dash of x equal to e raised to minus x by 2 divided by 2. Factor are 3 minus x into 2 plus x. Find f dash of c, that is x replaced by c, is equal to e raised to minus c by 2 into 3 minus c plus 2 plus c. Here is x replaced by c. We have given that the Rolle's theorem satisfies, therefore f dash of c is 0. Given e raised to minus c by 2 divided by 2 into 3 minus c into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Here is this term not equal to 0, therefore 3 minus c into 2 plus c equal to 0. Hence 3 minus C equal to 0 or 2 plus C equal to 0. Therefore C equal to 3 or C equal to minus 2. But C equal to minus 2 belongs to the open interval minus 3 0 and C not belongs to minus 3 0. Hence value of C is equal to minus 2. Thank you.